So Rihanna just got done with the school. She has online school. And look at what she's doing now. What are you doing, Rihanna?
I'm washing the vessel.
Do you like doing it?
Of course I do.
Why do you like doing this?
Because I like to play in water.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so moreover, Rihanna wants to be in the kitchen today because she wants to make a cake. And why? Because
Tomorrow is the anniversary.
whose anniversary? What anniversary?
Wedding anniversary.
Oh, so? And what was today?
Today was the
What? Say.
I forgot.
Say, try. Try.
Go.
Whatever word comes out from your mouth, we'll take it.
Murata pani.
7 p.m. now, okay, and now we are going to begin with making our cake. So first and foremost, let's get our equipment, and Rihanna, you need to wash your hands. Here are my equipment. Okay, so first we'll need a baking tray. Okay, so first what we will do is we'll bake the cake, okay, and then we will make the chocolate ganache. No? Ganache, okay. So we might need this, okay, just hold. We'll need cup. Okay, this is half cup. Hold this. Okay, we'll need a piping bag just in case if we need. So these are the piping bags. So I have all the equipment ready. We can use this piping bag instead.
I'm feeling very excited to make the cake because first time I'm making it. That's the first time, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So Rihanna is making this
What
cake.
is happening? So Dada is just going to assist.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very good. I think we are good. I'll just add a little bit of more.
Let us see.
Just mix it well. So I just wanted you to cut this butter paper. We need to give Mama also one work, right?
Why?
Because it's her anniversary also. Correct?
You guys are surprising me, right? Then why
Excuse me, this is surprise?
No.
She knows everything, right?
I like surprise.
Hello. Say.
Hello.
Okay. Look at this. Hey, Rihanna. So today is our anniversary day, and last night we finished making the cake. See, Rihanna ate a small batch of that cake also because there were some leftovers. So we put the sponge in this small what is this bowl, and we put the chocolate ganache, and she ate it. So we could not shoot anything last night because it was very messy. And now we are going to play a game.
Magnetic battle chess. Now, if I put it here and then it attracts, so these three are mine. So you have to keep increasing the number of magnets that you have. Okay.
6, 8, 10.
Fast, Rihanna. Time's up. count how many are there. And the time starts.
I got the time photo, but I have less of
Okay, now let's start again, okay? Okay, so Rihanna and we are going to eat vindaloo with pav. So Marina was supposed to order pizza from one of her favorite place, but they are not making the desired pizza which Marina wants. So she was supposed to order Chinese from out, and I said, let me make chicken pot rice. Okay, now it's already 11:55 a.m. Now I don't have few of the ingredients, the veggies, so we're stepping out to go to the supermarket and buy the veggies. Come Rihanna, we just have 10 minutes. You want that baby tomato in your this?
cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomato.
Yeah, not baby tomatoes.
Broccoli will be there somewhere.
Where?
Here.
Broccoli कहाँ है? नहीं है broccoli.
No.
I need baby corn. Mushrooms are also expensive. Normally they are.
This chili.
No, Baba.
You want to use this one instead?
I've never eaten, so I don't know if I should. I mean, I don't want to take a risk with mushroom. See this. Yellow.
Okay.
What else? Does it travel nice?
Yeah, then it gets soggy, na? Yeah. Chicken breast. So East Indians, the Vindaloo East Indians have their own style. Goans have their own style.
Yes.
Goan fry the onions and everything, and then they put the meat. But in East Indian style, they just marinate the meat overnight, and they put the whole pot on the stove or gas, whatever, and they cook it on low flame. You use less water, and you can store it for a longer time.
Yeah. This also came from the Portuguese, no?
Yeah.
So one of my colleague, he was mentioning last time that in London, apparently there is some place where these labourers would go out to drink. So after having beer, they would have, I'm not really sure if they're labourers, but yeah, but with beer they would have vindaloo. So the spicy hot vindaloo with chilled beer is a combination. You don't have beer for today, right?
No. Okay, so finally our meal preparation is done, and now I don't know, Marina is not ready to wait, so let's start serving. So here is my pot rice and here is vindaloo. So I'm going to eat vindaloo for sure, and Marina will eat the pot rice.
Oh, yummy. Thank you.
Finally, our vindaloo and the pot rice is ready. Can't wait to eat. Cheers.
Good. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
So good. Very good.
Amazing. After a long time maybe. I can say a decade also. It's amazing.
Oh, so nice cake you made.
This cake is made by
Stanley.
and Rihanna and Marine Auntie. So the decoration is made by Marine Auntie.
Means the sprinkles.
That also Marine Auntie.
Okay, in my night I'll just pray. I'm not near God, okay? I'm just near my bed. I'm sleeping on my bed.
What do you think? You can't eat.
Boys from my office next.
Get knife. Catch. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations and celebrations. We want the world to know you're happy and one happy. And look at the cake. It's delicious.
Can I have?
Not for yours.
So big bite.
What? Stanley uncle made the cake.
Take Diya for you. And Diana for Diya.
Go sit there, make your table chairs clean. Wait, Baba. Keep your chairs.